students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn English. Come on students, we will move to the lesson. Of Standard 3rd and the topic name is Tenali Raman draws a picture. Okay, now we will get some information about the Tenali Raman. Tenali Ramakrishna or Tenali Raman was an Indian poet, scholar, thinker and a special advisor in the court of Emperor Sri Krishna Devaraya of the Vijayanagar Empire. Tenali Rama was famous for his sharp wit and wisdom to solve difficult matters quickly. Students, now we will go through a small skit and we'll see how Tenali Raman gives a funny explanation. Okay? Now students, here Tenali Raman is standing in front of a drawing board. You can see in this picture. Okay, the skit starts like this. At that time, a messenger arrives and he tells, "Good afternoon, sir. The king wants you." You know what is the meaning of messenger? Messenger means who gives the message. At that time, Tenali Raman said, "Shh, don't disturb me. I am busy." Listening to this, messenger goes away. Again, Tenali Raman is busy in his work. He stands there in front of the drawing board and is observing the drawing board. After some time, the king enters. "Yes, Raman, I was waiting for you. What are you doing?" he asked. For that, Tenali Raman replied, "Your Majesty, I was drawing a picture." "I see. We would like to see the picture," said the king. Now, king observes the drawing board. There was nothing to see. Here, then Tenali Rama said, "Here, Your Majesty, this is my picture." Then king said, "What? What have you drawn, Raman? Is this a picture? Please explain." He was astonished. "I was drawing a cow eating a loads of grass." Loads of grass means lots of grass. Okay, then king said, "Loads of grass? I can't see any grass here." Then Tenali Rama explained. What he explained we'll see. "After eating up all the grass, the cow walked away, Your Majesty." What he said? There was a cow that ate all the grass and after eating all the grass, it walked away. "Ha ha ha. Raman, you always make me laugh." The king became very happy and he praised Tenali Raman. Yes, dear students, this is a short skit. Here we can see the intelligence of Tenali Rama. Correct? Like this, so many stories we can hear about Tenali Raman and Emperor Sri Krishna Devaraya. Now students, see here. Can you see a picture of a garden? That is, a slide is there. Correct? Now imagine that you have drawn this slide. Okay? Now your mother arrives and she asks, "What have you drawn, dear?" Yes, what you will say? Children were playing on the rides. Okay, then mother, what she says? "Where are the children? I can't see any child in the garden." Yes, really we can't see any child in the garden. Correct? Now then what you say? Children enjoyed playing on the rides and they went away. Mother, ha ha ha, you naughty. Yes. Dear students, like this you have to draw a picture and you have to give a funny explanation to your brother, to your mother or to your father. Okay? Do like this and enjoy. Now students, we will move to the exercise part. First one is write opposite words for the following. Okay, we will take the words from that Tenali Rama skit and we will find out the opposite words for the given words. First one is laugh. Yes, dear students, what is the opposite word for laugh? Cry. Correct. Laughing, crying. Second, busy. He is very busy. The opposite of busy is idle. Idle means not to do anything, simply wasting time. Okay? Busy, idle. Third, like. I like ice cream. What is the opposite of this? I dislike. Okay? Fourth one, is. The opposite of is was. Got this, children? Now the next one. Write whether the following statements are true or false. Now here statements are given. You have to find out whether they are true or they are false. First one. Raman went to meet the king. Yes, students, you know the story now. Can you tell me, is this true or false? Raman went to meet the king. No, this is false because Raman was standing in front of the drawing board. Correct? We'll move to second one. The king came to meet Raman. Yes, this is right. King himself came to meet Raman. Third one, the king was angry with Raman. Is that true? No, that is false. King was not angry with the Raman. Fourth one, Raman said that he was drawing a picture. Yes, that is true. King asked, what are you doing? Then Raman said that he was drawing a picture. Correct? Okay. Next is write the answers to the following questions. You have to write proper answers to the questions asked. First one, what did the king see on Raman's board? Yes, first understand the question. What did the king see on Raman's board? Answer, the king did not see anything on Raman's board because it was empty. Nothing was there on the board. Yes, second one. Had Raman really drawn a cow eating grass? You know the answer for this. The answer is no. Raman had not drawn a cow eating grass. Correct? Third one. Can a cow walk away from picture? Is it possible? If we draw anything and it will vanish automatically? No, it is not possible. So the answer is no. A cow cannot walk away from a picture. Fourth, did the king enjoy Raman's joke? Yes, the king enjoyed Raman's joke. Now students, see here. Try to write the answers in full sentences. Okay? We'll move to the next one. Name the following. Okay? First one, a person who gives message. Now in the skit, a man came to give the message of king to Tenali Raman. That man was called as messenger. Correct? Like that we have to write. Second one, a person who teaches. Third, a person who dances. Fourth, a person who works. Fifth, a person who paints. Sixth, a person who checks the patients. Yes, dear students, I will help you for first one. A person who gives message. That is messenger. Correct? Messenger gives a message to another person. He gives message. Correct? Second one, a person who teaches. You know very well. Who is he or who is she? A person who teaches you in the school. That is nothing but teacher. Very good. A person who dances. That person is called as dancer. Correct. Next, a person who works is nothing but worker. The next is a person who paints. Who paints our house, shops and all that is called as painter. Correct. Last one, a person who checks the patients. That you know. Correct? That is nothing but doctor. Yes, make a list like this. Name the following. Okay? Yes, students. This is all for today. Now, students, retell the story, whatever we discussed today, in the form of a joke. Okay? Thank you very much. And take care of yourself. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you very much, students, for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new updated videos.